Okay, good morning class. So today will be our final class for the semester. So by the end of this class, I will give you our final assignment. So bear with me. Pay attention class. Okay, so class, as you all read the assignment, this is a group assignment. So I have formed group for you. I divided you into two groups, which is the first group is Miza, Shasha, and Beep, and then the second group is Angel, Shai, and Suzy. Okay, is that okay with the group? Okay. Okay, so as you all read, the assignment requires you to come up with the architectural plan, okay, from the information that I have given to you. So please apply all of that I have taught you, okay, all that, the symbols and all that, okay, so please use all of that information. Everything is very useful. This assignment will due by the end of June, so please plan your time wisely, and if you are smart enough, you can do this in only 2 to 3 days maximum. Okay, if you think outside the box, and you can do it in any way that is available to you, so please think smart. Okay, today is a modern day, so you can find anything that is required to finish this assignment. Okay, so if you have any questions, please make an appointment with me and come and meet me at my office. Okay, so if you have any questions, please come and ask. I will guide you in any way possible, so don't be shy. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you. Yes? Hello? Please come in.
Hello, doctor. I have a question regarding to the assignment that you gave to us.
Come. Okay, what do you have for me today?
I was wondering if there's any software that I can use to do the assignment, or it must be done by hand.
Oh, I've been waiting for students to come and ask. You are the first one to come today. So there is a software that is called AutoCAD. Have you heard of it?
No, doctor, I haven't heard of AutoCAD before.
Oh, okay. So AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software application. AutoCAD is widely used by engineers, architects, and project managers and other related professionals. So this software can be used to create diverse kinds of drawings and designs in either 2D drawing or 3D model or construction that is usually drawn by hand. So using AutoCAD would be easier for you to do this assignment because there's a lot of symbols that is already installed in the software.
Noted, doctor.
Is that all? Is there any other questions?
That's all, doctor. No other question.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Guys, I know how to do the assignment! How? Wait, I'll show you guys. Come on. First, we install AutoCAD.
Two hours later.
And now we're done.
Meanwhile.
Ugh, this assignment is so hard. I wish there's an easier option to do this.
Relax, Miza. Let's take it slow. We can do this.
This is wrong, Miza. Here, let me do this.
Meanwhile, later that same evening.
Oh my god, guys, Suzy told me that we can use a software called AutoCAD to do this assignment.
That's great. I never thought of using a software to do this.
How come we never thought of it? It's much easier than drawing by hands.
Yes.
Tomorrow is due date. What are we gonna do?
Let's try it first. Don't panic yet.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Yeah, we did this!
Yay!
In this video, there are two situations in which one is with technology and one without technology.
Today, engineers rely on computer for much of the process. Using computer and software, engineers can test, design, and make changes to the product in minimal time.
For example, AutoCAD is used in this assignment to make it easier. Thank you.